So you're looking for pool leak detection. Do you think you might have a pool leak? Maybe you know you have one, but no one has been able to figure it out yet? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. We hear it all the time. Hi, I'm Samantha from Pool Patcher. We specialize in finding all the leaks that other companies miss, from hard-to-find underground plumbing leaks pinpointed with precision, to tiny pin-sized holes in vinyl liners, gunite, cement, fiberglass pools, and spas. We've been licensed in New Jersey and successfully locating pool leaks for well over a decade. Now let's clear something up right away. Pool leak detection is not just swimming around the pool and seeing what could be or what might be it. Most pool leaks aren't visible at all, even when they are within the pool itself. Leaks can be underground, inside pipes, behind pool features or fittings, or hidden within the structure. Sometimes they're concealed within a liner pattern, making them nearly invisible, or within gunite or fiberglass surfaces. The majority of leaks can easily be overlooked. That's why Pool Patcher is a full leak detection company, not just a visual inspection service. We use the newest leak detection technology available today, including pressure testing, electronic leak locating, pipe inspection cameras, thermal imaging, and advanced listening equipment to pinpoint leaks with precision, even underground. All of these tools are useless without the years of experience Pool Patcher brings to the job. And yes, we do still suit up and dive underwater when it's actually needed. But diving is just one tool, one skill. It's not the answer to every leak. Why hire a company that's limited to only one method, and then have to hire another company to redo the original job of finding the pool leak? Keep your money in your wallet and hire the right company once, one that can figure out the leak no matter where it's located. Think of it this way. A diver can help inspect what's inside the pool, and hopefully they find it. But last time we checked, divers can't swim through pipes, and they definitely can't pressure test or locate underground plumbing. Things are definitely visually missed, even large holes in liners. That's where real leak detection begins. Pool Patcher has built its reputation by locating leaks others couldn't find. Leaks that were written off as evaporation, normal water loss, or one of those mystery things. It's very common for companies to dismiss leaks they can't find. We hear it all the time when customers tell us they were told, losing an inch of water a day is normal. Well, it definitely isn't normal. They just couldn't find your pool leak. If your pool is losing more than about an inch of water per week, that's probably not evaporation. Once we accurately locate the leak, repairs become simple and controlled. Most leaks within the pool structure can be temporarily patched the same day without draining your pool. This includes small holes in liners, gunite, cement, and fiberglass pools and spas, as well as leaks at fittings, lights, steps, returns, and skimmers. For larger issues, like underground pipe leaks, excavation may be required. But here's the good news. We don't dig up your entire backyard. We locate one exact spot underground, so repairs are targeted only to the compromised or leaking pipe. This keeps your hard-earned money in your wallet and the rest of your yard undisturbed. When major pipe repairs are needed, Pool Patcher will refer the work to a trusted local company, using our precise locating results so the job gets done right the first time. So if you're dealing with a pool leak, or worse, a leak no one else has been able to figure out for multiple seasons, you're exactly who we help every day. Pool Patcher has spent more than a decade locating the leaks others miss, using proven methods, modern technology, and experience you can trust. If you want real answers, not guesses. If you want testing, not assumptions. And if you want your pool leak handled correctly the first time, you're in the right place. Call us today.